Maybe you also have a dream to buy a BMW car someday. But if you are not a rich man, can you buy it right now? You cannot. The same is true for all of your dreams in life. You want the most beautiful girl in your college to be your girlfriend, or you want to win the next Employee of the Year award, or maybe to grow your business exponentially. But to achieve all those goals, you have to follow a process. A one-way road of which destination is your dream. The road is not so easy. You have to overcome many obstacles to reach your destination. And to overcome those obstacles, you will need proper dedication. So watch this video till the end, because in today's video, I am going to share with you 6 smart ideas that if you implement in your life, you can easily achieve all of your dreams. So let's start. Smart idea number 1. Use the power of your subconscious mind. You may be surprised to know that starting from atomic structure to modern periodic table, structure of Bayesian, theory of relativity, and even swing machine was discovered with the help of information attained from dreams while sleeping. Every day when we went to sleep, just before the moment we fall asleep, whatever we think in our mind straight goes to our subconscious mind without any processing of the conscious mind. And it is now also scientifically proven that our subconscious mind's power is unlimited. So just before you fall asleep every night, if you can think about your goals in life, that is, why am I not becoming successful? Why am I unable to manage my relationships properly? Why am I not able to earn more money? You can also write these questions using a red color ink pen. Specifically, red color ink pen is required because there is a different kind of energy in the red color, which dedicate passion and dedication. If you have noticed, if someone wears a red color dress in a crowd, suddenly our focus goes towards that person automatically. So take a blank white paper and write all of your goals there using a red ink pen, and then fall asleep while thinking about them. After that, your subconscious mind will keep on searching for the answers whole night. This can be very much helpful to achieve your goals in life. Smart idea number 2. Take one step at a time. In reality, all of us want our goals to be fulfilled by tomorrow without putting any effort to achieve them. We set a goal, but when the time comes to pursue it, then we start to think, oh God, so many stairs. Your goal is waiting for you on the uppermost stair. You just have to ride up the stairs to reach there. So don't think about the number of stairs you have to ride up. Put your foot on the first stair and stand there. That's it. Then take your foot to the next stair, then third, and so on. You don't need to look up, just focus on the next stair and continue riding them up one by one. In this way, when you will reach to the upper last one, then you will look down and say, hey, it wasn't so tough as it was seeming to be. As in the Creed movie, Sylvester Stallone said, one step at a time, one punch at a time. Smart idea number 3. Value your each decision. We all have to take thousands of small and big decisions every day, starting from what to eat on breakfast to which shirt should I wear today, or how should I close the client deal today. We have to take a lot of decisions every day. All these decisions affect your willpower either directly or indirectly. Maybe your last year resolution was to build a 6-pack abs or to learn to play the guitar, but at the end of the year, you ended up with an even larger tummy and the guitar gathering dust on it. The main reason why so happened was that you hadn't paid enough attention to the small decisions you made every day. So value your each decisions equally and choose only those which will help you to achieve your goals in life. You may think, oh, it is just a small Cadbury, what's the big deal? But you have to resist those temptations which take you far from your goals. Otherwise, you will lose track and it will become very much difficult to get back again on your track. Smart idea number 4. Ask your own opinion. Maybe you want to start a YouTube channel, so you asked a few people about their opinion. Among them, 8 out of 10 people told you something which demotivated you instead of motivating to start. So first of all, discard all of those illogical people's opinion who doesn't even know ABCD about YouTube, and ask your own opinion first. Am I ready for it? Can I become successful at it? If the answer you get is yes, then start your journey immediately to fulfill your dreams. But if the answer you get is no, then look for the possible ways how can you turn that no into yes. as this is your dream, so the opinion that should matter most is your opinion only. Smart idea number 5. Winners never make excuses. You may also have a friend who says, "No more cigarettes from today. I am going to stop smoking completely." But after a few days, you catch him again smoking. Then if you ask him, he says, "Oh, I am not a chain smoker anymore. Now I smoke very less often." This kind of excuses we give to ourselves just to make fool of ourselves. What is stopping you from achieving your goals in life? Time? Energy? Money? Or is it you? You are making fool of yourself by giving different kinds of excuses that are nothing but pure lies. And only a truth can stop a lie. And that truth is, you have enough time, energy, willpower, knowledge and support to fulfill your dreams. Smart idea number 6. Don't quit until it's finished. Buddharam purchased a membership in a local gym to build a muscular body. After that, he also started to work out regularly. But after 4 weeks, he started thinking, "I am working out so hard, but why there is no visible change in my body? Maybe this bodybuilding game is just not for me." And after that, again he started staying up late at night and waking up in the noon. So Buddharam needs to understand that to achieve something, not only hard work but also time is required. Not everything can be achieved within a second. Maybe if Buddharam continued for 5 to 6 months, then he would see visible results in his body shape. But his desperate mind didn't want to wait, so he gave up. So always remember, if you have already started your journey, then giving up in the middle of your journey is an utterly foolish thing to do. Because doing so, all the hard work and time that you have already invested will go completely waste. So first make a proper plan and timing and then start your journey. Because then you will never have to give up in the middle. For example, first fix this mindset before buying any membership of a gym. Whether I can see any result or not, I will continue going to the gym regularly for the next 6 months. Only after that I will judge again. Now if I sum up this whole video, to achieve your goals in life, you must follow these 6 smart ideas. Number 1. Use the power of your subconscious mind. Number 2. Take one step at a time. Number 3. Value your each decision. Number 4. Ask your own opinion. Number 5. Winners never make excuses. And number 6. Don't quit until it's finished. At last, a little request to you. If you have found this video useful, then please share it with your friends and family, because in this way, you can also help to change someone's life. Thanks for watching. More wisdom, more solution, better life.